7.04, right. Okay? Questions? Alright, so and, here we have 413.5972, and we want to round that to the nearest hundredths. Alright, so I'm just going to rewrite this. 4.135972, and we're going to go how many places over? Hundredths, right? Draw a line, look at the next number, right? And so that's going to be 413.60, right? Good. Okay, questions with that? And one more for this group of problems. Let's say we have 7014.96. We want to round that to the nearest whole number. Okay? Well, where are we going to draw our line? Here's our number again. Yeah. Draw a line at the decimal point, and we're looking at the 9, right? So that makes it approximately equal to 7015, right? Yeah, and you don't need the decimal after that. It's implied. The decimal point is always implied after the unit's place. We don't normally say that, but it is. So technically, you could put a decimal point after that if you want, and that would be correct. You could put zeros after that too if you wanted to, and that'd still be the same number, but normally we just leave it without the decimal point. Okay? Alright. Now we're going to jump ahead to section 2.6, page 154. And we want to convert more decimals to fractions. And so if we look at problem number 94, and here we have 0.25. Okay, we would write that as what? As a fraction.
25 over 100.
That's right, 25 over 100. But are we finished? We got to reduce it, right? What can go in the boat?
25.
Yeah, because you have 5 and 0, they're both divisible by 5, right? Right, 25 goes in, or 25 rather, goes in 100 4 times. There's the 4. 25 goes in itself once. So it's 1/4. Okay? Alright, well what about problem number 197? Where we have 0.125. Okay, that would be, right, 125 over 1,000. Okay, well, we know that 5 can go into both, right? Well, 5 can go into 125 5 times, right? And that would leave us 5 times 25 is 125, right?
Yeah.
5 into 1,000, that's 5 times what? 200, right? Because there's another 0 there. So we know that the 5's cancel, and so we know that 5 can go into 25 again, right? And 5 can go into 24 times. 5 can go into 200. If 5 goes into 20 4 times, 40, right? So that's 5 over 40. Can we reduce it again?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 can go into 40. How many?
8.
8. 5 goes in cells, so that's 1 over 8. Okay? So there's a couple of different ways you could reduce that. That's just one of them. Okay? But you have to, if it looks like you have something that can go into both, you have to keep reducing it until it's down to what we